No, don't come to me.
What's going on?
No, no, no. Go over there. Go over there. I see you. Yeah, you're cute. Go over there. I know, I know. Hi, hi. Go play with Bobby. Go play with Aunt Bobby. She's not going to be here long. Go play with Aunt Bobby. Go. Go.
I babysat or dog sat my friend Diana's dog. It's the weirdest dog. It would come to the side of the bed.
It's gonna go on the internet.
What?
I'm gonna probably put this on the internet. You want to talk about your friend's dog? Well, she won't see it. Never mind.
It like comes to the bed. It goes like this. Like.
You are just the tiniest little teddy bear.
Sub 5. Almost.
Give me paw. Yeah, that works. Paw. Yeah. We just need to make sure you don't poop in the house, right? That'd be really good. So far, so good. Oh, you're gonna scratch the crap out of my phone. It's good we don't have good furniture here. Oh.
Goes up.
Did she lick it? Oh, I think she did.
Oh, I thought this was like dog poop.
No, it's the dog.
I know.
It's her little blanket. From her first mommy.
Where are you?
Where are you? There you are. There you are. Yeah, do the thing again. It's like, wait, gotta scratch. She's like, I don't like this, I'm going to you. Well, don't do it so aggressively, maybe.
Oh, she's scared. Not anymore.
Oh, okay. We won't torture you anymore. You're so cute. Look at this fish. Look at that fish. I have to get a picture.